Hello my wonderful people, you are welcome back again to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So Sowore detention, everybody don't hear the news, not be news again. Everybody don't know say Sowore still dey detention since the time when they leave am. I think inside last week they never still leave am, they still hold am for there. But that many say people dey protest for there now, say that they still dey fight for Sowore freedom, say they must leave am by force. Sometimes I go just dey wonder, say which kind country be this country Nigeria? A country whereby people go place law, they go implement law, they go put law. Then when e put that law, then they sef they no dey respect that law. Then they go dey expect the citizens to dey respect the law. This one na country when e be say judge go talk the final say, police or DSS or SSS go say na their own be the final say. Which kind country be that? Na only Banana Republic na dem dey behave like that. Sometime this year when dem wan hold election, this man Sowore, e come leave e family all the way from America. E leave e family, e leave e children, e leave e work. Then e come Nigeria say make e contest, make we join hand together, make we cooperate to turn that country, to change that country to the dream wey all of us dream. Nigerians come talk say they no get hand, they no know am because Sowore na stranger to them. They no know am. They say na social media president, they no know. Then all these roller coaster politicians, they come give them small thing, come give them small egunje, give them small bribe, come give them two cup of rice, give them 1,000 naira. All of them come say yes. Now this one next level, na we will vote for. Now everybody dey enjoy the next level. The thing wey pay me be say people wey even really do this something now, most of them they dey inside their house. The ones wey be say they no know one, they no know two for this something, na dem dey risk their life, dey protest for there now, say make dem free Sowore. My people, we never learn. Some people talk say they no know say na so this man be, this bubu, they no know say na so e be. If to say dem know say na so e be, dem for no vote for am. Anytime when I hear that word, the thing dey turn my belle, e dey turn my belle. How you go talk say you no know say na so bubu be? Na today na we know say monkey get tail for yansh. Na so today na we know say monkey tail na back na im dey. This man never rule before. This man don rule. We get every evidence to know say na so this man be. But Nigerians, they no gree accept am like that. Most Nigerians, me I no say all of them, they no gree accept am like that because then they think say if you take bleach wash leopard, that spot go vanish comot for your body. Na lie o. Oyibo when he make that parable, they no mumu at all. Oyibo when he make that parable say leopard can never change his spot. They know what they are saying. They know what they are saying. They only come brainwash them, brainwash Nigerians, tell them say he don't change, he don't be the same of before. Na new person na him be now because na democracy na we dey now. He carry agbada, he wear on top of army uniform. They can disguise, give them 1,000 and 2 cup of rice. They really sell their birthright. They sell their birthright like Esau when he dey for and his brother when he dey for Bible. As he take sell birthright to his brother because of porridge, and the same problem now we Nigerians dey experience now. Let's fight together. Let's unite together. Let's raise our voice together. You see some go betray the other one go betray another one. They say they no want. The one wey dey rule them before, they dey after tribalism. Na Igbo people na Ife na Yoruba tongue. After Yoruba e go be Hausa. After Hausa e go be Igbo, e go be Ishan. After Ishan e go be Bini. They instead of them to face the thing when e dey disturb, when e dey eat the country up, they dey face tribalism. They dey after tribalism. Tribalism. That put us to the level when we dey so. Some say some people will still come out, they go still dey make some kind yeah comment. They talk say wetin dey do Sowore now, the problem when Sowore dey now, he ask for it, na he put himself for that position. I go say people, which kind mind una get? But wetin dis man dey go through for the whole Nigerians, una still dey tell say na him put himself. Showore dey protest because of him wife or because of him children make dem see food chop. Na because of we the Nigerians, for us to know our rights, for us to know wetin belong to us, na him dey fight for, na him land am to where e dey so. I wonder why somebody go come say na him take him hand cause wetin he want. Is it by force to comment? Is it by force to say something? If you no get wetin to comment or you no get something reasonable to talk, then mechonu. Na so Igbo people talk. Take your hand, close your mouth. No be by force say you must talk. Come dey add fuel join fire when e dey burn before. The time when Gesh dey, all of us know wetin dey happen. Things were not going well for Nigerians. All of us know. Nobody wey no dey aware. As the thing dey go out of hand, na him this Showore come in say, this thing wey una dey do is getting too much. Nigerians are suffering. If you know you no fit rule well to the way Nigerians want, you step down and give another person chance, which is Bubu. Then Gesh come step down, Bubu come enter. So why Showore support Bubu that time? Because he was expecting wetin Bubu talk, na him go do, because he say he na change person. Say he know say na democracy na we dey now. Say the time when he first rule na military regime na we dey. Not knowing that all those things when they talk, all of them na bebeye. Na the democracy we dey now be we dey for democracy. If this one not be democracy, na that one make Showore talk say he support am, hoping that wetin he promise he go do am. But as he enter now, he come even worse pass the time when he first rule 1983. Then Showore come turn against am. So that one to tell anybody when they read the reason well, that one go tell you say Showore no dey after the names PDP, APC, NNC or anything. No dey after all those ones. Wetin he really dey after na the betterment of Nigeria, the future of Nigeria. Na he dey after. If you enter, they give you chance. If they say wetin you promise, it's not working out, then you get out, give another person chance. Then how person go come dey talk say how you take support am? You know whether na so the man promise heaven and earth. As you say things get as be say, then you comot, all of una na the same. Okay, make we vote for the change now, so that we go another new level. Our people for Nigeria say no. Na the same old people, na im dem know, na im dem dey used to. Because e give them small peanut. Can you just imagine that? I don't know whether Nigeria ready to change. They're ready for change. Let me make I see on the order of my video. And they always talk and say, whether Nigerians they're really ready for change. I don't know, because this change when we dey talk so, only Showore no fit fight am. If there is no cooperation, there is no love, there is no unity, e no go possible. If this man rule finish, another one still enter, even though say no be him, na him brothers when he be say na still this name APC, PDP and all those things, na him still enter. Then una still vote for them. Na the same story when e dey go on, so na e go still dey go on. That is if e no even worse pass as e dey now. Nigeria get to know the level when we dey now. Nigerians need to open their eyes, shine their eye well like Awilo sharp. Say you wan come change Nigeria for betterment, una say no. The thing when we for dey suffer now, when God don first save us, he don't deliver Nigerians during the time of Abacha. Na only God know the situation when Nigeria for dey now. Na only God know how we for be now. During that time, everybody here and hot. Lord come run against am now. He come clear comot. God come deliver us from that hole. Now we take see head for that man hand. Then we come still take our hand, still enter the same problem again. Come still take our hand, go draw this man. When we don't first know how it rule, when we don't know how it put sorrow and pains for the life of many families. Some people still dey when that something still dey affect it today. That thing when it happened that time 1983, the time when this man dey power. Some people still dey when they don't feel recover, when they don't feel get themselves again. When the thing still dey affect it today. You can still say that hole when God deliver us from during Abacha, now that same hole, now in their life, now they won't still enter. Say he promised them, say he go change. They don't know say they change when he promised. na opposite. Now they are all crying, all Nigerians dey cry. The thing dey affect everybody. E dey affect everybody both home and abroad, because people wey dey for here, e dey affect all of them. You no fit say e no affect you one way or the other. If na €8 per hour na you dey receive for work for uptown here, then you go send €7 go give them. That €7, if you reach Nigeria, e no get anything wey go fit do. You dey work like Jackie for here, dey send something to them, and the thing dem no fit take am do anything. Wetin you want make dem take am do? No be affect, e dey affect you so. Security no dey Nigeria, different things dey happen. If things no work out, you go carry your bag say you wan from uptown here travel go Nigeria. E no dey affect us like that so. Now this one be the thing wey you see say Showore come all the way from America say make we come change this thing. They say no. Make una just tell me the way things be now. Na one Nigeria na be this one. This is one of the reasons why you see say some people they won't break out. Some people say they are tired, they want to break out of the system, they won't get their own. Whether it good for them, it bad for them, they won't come out. Because if to say everything they work fine the way it's supposed to be, some people no will come and say they won't come out. Now one Nigeria with this so. Why did Nigeria not just scatter, make it divide, make everybody go your own way? Because this one not be one Nigeria. When tribalism, different things, this one they work against this one. No mind, one mind no dey, unity no dey. We dey say one Nigeria. Why are we deceiving ourselves? Abeg, people when they make negative comments, join the problem when Showore first dey. Na abeg, make una keep una negative comment to una self. If una no know wetin to talk, make una keep quiet and give time, space to people when they reason well, when they get reasonable things to talk. To comment no be by force. To talk something wey no follow road no be by force. If you no get good thing, keep quiet and give people chance when they get better thing to talk. So my people, una don see am o. Una don know the level when we dey now. We are under dictatorship. Na dictator na him dey rule us. Roller coaster politicians na we dey. So if una go decide, na Nigerians na dem go decide say whether they wan continue dey go round and round, we go still dey go round and round from the same circle, or whether they wan really change. Na dem go make up their mind. Because even Showore dey try to fight for everybody now. If they no cooperate, they no join Showore, they no cooperate with am, that change no fit come. Only Showore no fit fight the fight, because na we dey fight for, no be himself he dey fight for. So my people, na here now I go roll up my video today. Na here I go stop because I no wan make this video come too long. And apart from that one, I wan go work. If you like this my video, please don't forget to give me a thumb up. And if you never subscribe to this my channel, na your first time when you dey come across this my channel, abeg make you just click that red button there when they write subscribe. Just click am, one small bell here, and click both of them. So with that one, anytime when I put new video, you go just get message for your phone say I don upload new video. With that one, you no fit miss any of my video. And again, people when you don first subscribe to this my channel, I say thank you. I want to take the opportunity to say big thank you. God will bless you really big. So now here I go roll up today. I hope to come your way some other time, and if more updates today, I will still let una know. Make una take care of una self and have a blessed day. For now, ciao ciao.